at Cascade Waterfall off of the Parkway at mile marker 272. And this is the waterfall. They say you could reach out and touch it. Can you touch it? Look how pretty. That's pretty cool. Goes way down there. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Yep. Little bit of color, but it's a little overcast, so you can't really see it. But it's pretty. It's really pretty. Yep, we got Miss Lily Bell with us this morning. Come on, Lil, go. And there she is. That's the lower part. Look how pretty. I love the sound of a waterfall. This is off the Parkway in North Carolina. This is the nicest waterfall we've seen yet. Very nice. Cascade Falls. A few stairs getting down to the waterfall, but nothing like Chimney Rock. So if you come down here, it's not for the handicap. Sorry, folks. Okay, so we decided to eat out tonight. Hadn't had Mexican in a while. So here we are, West Jefferson, and we're trying Monterey Mexican. So here we go.
What?
How's the chips and the sauce so far?
Oh, very good. Not too spicy for me.
Sweet.
But maybe for some people.
Here's our feast. We got the, what did we get? The fajitas for two.
It was $20.
And there's your plate. There's my plate. And we get some wraps, of course. And so now we're gonna make us up a fajita. And the fajita has chicken, shrimp, and beef, and all kinds of vegetables.
Just cook right up on
So, that looks good. I can't cook every night, folks. I just can't cook every night.
Not keep up with me.
What?
And not keep up with me. I've been running on the trails today, on the Parkway, looking at waterfalls, running around town to Cheese Factory. Hey man, we gotta keep a move on.
Childers is wrapping his up. Very good. Yep. Look at him being very careful.
Gotta tighten this thing up. Can't waste none of it. Is that it?
All right, there you go.
They're good. I'm learning how to retire, folks. Eating different ethnic foods. It's supposed to be good for you to eat a variety of things. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see how it goes. Pretty good. I speak Spanish soon. Sí, señor. Very soon. I'll be moving to Mexico. Everyone will. I'll be a very, very happy man. Siesta every day. Wine and tacos.
So is it good?
It's delicious. Very good. Well, there's plenty more food here.
Yeah, we got a ton left over. And we even made a little plate for Lily. And they brought us dessert. And he has one wrap left.
Yeah.
I can only eat one wrap, and I ate a little bit off to the side.
Where's your other wrap at?
I gave it to you. That's yours now.
I can't eat no more. I'm full.
You're full?
I'll be talking like Pedro soon. Gonzalez, dessert. When I eat this, I'll be more speedy. Oh. Look at this.
$23.22 total for all this food we just got. That's amazing, folks.
With dessert.
Yeah.
And enough for the puppy.
Yeah.
Enough for Lily.
Woohoo! All right. Good place, folks. And it's in West Jefferson, right off of 221. Is that 221 out there?
Yep, right up behind Walmart.
Yep. You can see it at the top of the hill from Walmart. Sweet. What you thinking?
Monte de Rey, Mexican restaurant. West Jefferson, North Carolina.
Yes.
All right, time to speed out of here. See you later. Bye.